Are you looking to include more protein in your diet? Then this bhuna chana masala recipe is a keeper. This makes a delicious side item. But before starting with the recipe, I would like to request you to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. For this recipe, you need 1 green chili, 2 tablespoons of homemade coriander powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder, 1/8 teaspoon of hing powder or asafoetida, half teaspoon homemade amchur powder, half black cardamom, half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon roasted kasuri methi, half teaspoon of red pepper powder, and half teaspoon of roasted fennel seeds. 2 teaspoons of boiled black chickpeas go in with 2 tablespoons of water. You may add little more water if you are not able to turn them into paste. Heat 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. When the oil heats, add half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Saute. Next, add ground masala paste that we have prepared. When paste is roasted, add 2 tablespoons of water. Let it cook. Add salt to taste and let the aroma of roasted spices fill your home. Now boiled chickpeas go in. You need to cook only for 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. Your roasted bhuna chana masala is ready to be relished with roti, chapati, paratha or even rice like I did. I hope you enjoyed this recipe of bhuna chana masala. If you did, please hit the like, share and subscribe button.